Okay, Carson's going to pick the raffle winner here. Who's our lucky winner? Hopefully you can read my... Oh, we don't need that. That was to shake up the box. Shake it up good.
How to post it.
Who's the winner?
Can't read the writing.
I know, my writing's pretty messy. Let me see. The winner is Brittany. It's Brittany Grizzle. Yay!
What I thought it said.
Congratulations, Brittany. You're our winner for our raffle. Woohoo! You're going to get a fun surprise in the mail. Yay! I can't tell you. It's going to be a surprise.